Hey, what's up? Charles here. Today I will be unboxing and testing out the audio of the Fifine K683A. It is one of the best budget USB microphones around today. Before checking this out, I just want to clarify that this video is not sponsored by Fifine or anyone authorized. I bought this mic with my own money. I wanted to upgrade from my PM800 setup, which I have been using for quite a while now. But will this really be an upgrade? Tara, alamin natin. Yo, nasetup ko na yung Fifine K683A USB mic. Ito na ang gamit ko ngayon at hanggang sa matapos ang video. So let's proceed with the unboxing. Sa pagbukas ng box, ang unang makikita ay ang user manual na masasabi kong malinis ang design, as you can see. Sunod naman ay ang K683A USB microphone na mismo. It has an all-metal build, a matte black finish, and mabigat ito. This feels great in terms of build quality. Meron itong built-in volume control knob and a mute button sa harap. Sa likod naman merong 3.5mm jack for real-time voice monitoring. This mic has a cardioid polar pattern, which means that the highest sensitivity to sound is coming in from directly in front of the microphone. Little to no sensitivity to sound coming directly from behind, and a reduced sensitivity to sound coming in from the sides. Meron itong kasamang microphone stand that you can easily set up for your mic for you to be able to put it on your desk. Now we have the wire that goes from USB Type B and connects to a USB Type C or Type A. This future-proofs the mic as technology leans more to USB Type C connections. Meron na rin itong attachable and detachable pop filter para ma-reduce yung popping sound sa recordings nyo. And that's all for the unboxing. Let's get into the compatibility of this mic. This mic is compatible with Windows, Mac, and PS4. Wala itong kahit anong software, you just plug the mic in and use it. This will go well with people that just wants a plug-and-play microphone for streaming, podcast, meeting, gaming, and vocal recording. Ngayon naman, I'll try to sing some parts of a song I know. The song is called When You Say Nothing at All. I'll sing the chorus. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. And that concludes the audio sound test. And there we have it. I have already listened to the audio recordings and this really is an upgrade. I've been looking into budget USB microphones for quite a while. I was really looking to replace my BM800 because I wasn't satisfied with the audio quality. But this one really hits the spot. I'm happy with my purchase, but what do you guys think? Drop your comments below and don't forget to subscribe.